Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making shrimp and broccoli. If you guys want to see how this is made, then keep on watching this video.
Nice things, nice things, nice things. One good girl, yeah, do the right thing. One with yourself and like your style win. Nice things, nice things, nice things.
For your ingredients, you're going to need shrimp, of course. This is shrimp that's already been peeled, deveined, cleaned, and all that good stuff. If you want to see how I clean shrimp, I have another video that's more in depth and more detailed. I'm going to link that down below in the description box. To season the shrimp, we're going to be using garlic salt with parsley, paprika, crushed red pepper, black pepper, and garlic. So I just added in all my dry seasonings with some garlic, and I'm just going to combine it all together to season the shrimp. That I'm gonna need for my sauce and also my garnish here at the end. Right here I have 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. I have 1 tablespoon of garlic, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. This is just flour mixed with water, but you could use cornstarch to make your sauce a little bit thicker. Then here I have some plain water. This is some scallion chopped or green onions. And then I also have some sesame seeds. These right here at the end are optional. They're just garnish. You could use if you want to. Okay, so I added in back the shrimp. Now I'm gonna make my sauce. Okay, so I'm just adding in a little bit more water just to make my sauce a little bit more rich. So I want the sauce to start thickening up a bit, so I'm gonna cover it for about 3 minutes. So I allowed it to simmer for 2 to 3 minutes, and this is what everything's looking like. Shrimp and broccoli is basically done. You could leave it a little bit longer if you want your broccoli to be softer, but this is perfect for me, so you could go ahead and turn off your stove. Okay guys, here we have the finished shrimp and broccoli. Like I said, you could use some scallions to garnish if you want to. This is optional. And then also use some sesame seeds to garnish the shrimp and broccoli. This is an easy dinner under 30 kind of vibe. If you guys want to try this recipe, then go ahead and let me know in the comments below if you like it, what you use differently, what you do differently. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.